Mabaho is like stinky flower. There's like a fake flower, the pink flower, there's a big flower.
What's that? It's asshole, doesn't it? Bastard?
I thought it was, but no, it's
Basketball.
It's what?
Basketball.
Perfect. Pervert. Although she's had many of an occasion to do so.
It smells. If you smell the bulaklak,
Pillows underneath.
so the flower is they do like this the dancing, and if you smell like this,
Nadia, at Grace's apartment building, somebody's throwing out a sofa that has a sofa bed and a mattress inside. You don't have the mattress anymore. And that's why this keeps sinking.
yeah, but it's gone.
No, it's still there in behind the
Oh,
building.
next year, about next year,
yeah, but all the bed bugs and stuff around.
Actually, it's probably been out overnight, and anything below freezing kills them. They can't survive.
No. That scares me, the bed bugs, no?
Yeah.
I'm not so sure. Most bugs can survive freezing.
Apparently, the bugs aren't indigenous to Nova Scotia. They're indigenous to a warmer climate. They can't survive in the cold. Like cockroaches. So if you have a building, if you've got a house that's infested with bed bugs, they say that you just take your mattress, you take everything and you put it outside if it's in the winter. If it's in the winter, you just put it outside overnight. So, hey, what about the champagne that I brought? The Spumante.
Can you take a picture of the pond?
What are you doing?
Breaking it.
Breaking it.
I didn't take a picture.
Masarap siya ngayon. Ate,
Yeah.
Okay, siya. Wala akong sinabi. Tsaka din ako mapagbukas ko ha. Tingnan.
Yeah, here. It's okay na. Okay, Tom, take a picture.
Cheers!
Cheers! Happy birthday!
Happy
birthday, Reggie!
Reggie.
1, 2, 3. Gotcha.
Gotcha! One more time!
Ready?
One more.
Happy birthday, Reggie.
Sarap!
One more. Okay. Ate, ko ito ha. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Reg.
Happy birthday!
Happy
Ton.
Mark.
You're welcome.
Happy New Year.
Oh, it's warm.
Happy New Year to everybody.
Hot chocolate.
Ate, si Gilbert, tsaka si Bert. Ate, ano?
Yeah, it's not mudslide.
Kasi ang percentage is parang oh, yung cake, talikuran na.
Oh my gosh.
At saka hindi siya masyado yung parang
Mango. Sarap. Amuyin ng bubulak aking.
Bubuka ang bulaklak, papasok ang red. Sasayaw ng tiyaya, ang saya-saya. Bum tiyaya, bum, yeah, yeah. Bum tiyaya, yeah, yeah.
yeah, yes, First serving. Ay, oo. Yeah, that's right. Sa'yo to lang, di ba?
Not again. Who's doing that?
1 year. 1 year.
Does it just like automatically start if you don't enter a number or something?
Yeah, I guess so.
Upload. Sige.
Upload.
Kailangan ko atanay mo dahil.
Binibigyan niya ng liit.
Makulit.
Ari, tutusin yung division. Ikaw, bigyan mo ko ng cake. Asa guys?
No!
Tutusin yung 7.
Ikaw din. Next.
Pinagbulang-bulang mga
Isla Bonita.
Sayaw!
La Isla Bonita.
Ano naman?
Nakakay-ipit. Nakakay-ipit. Kaso na mga ipit. Ang nakota.
Last night I dreamt of San Pedro.
Ay, thank you. Next thing.
Last night I dreamt of San Pedro. Just like I hear the song.
This is your doing, isn't it?
Marami pa sa akin ay.
That's because of you.
This is where I love to be. La Isla Filipina.
When the summer rain, the sun was set so high. Into my essence, in my eyes, the sky is all around.
Hindi ko makalap yung panahon ni ate.
It's supposed to be chocolate.
Eh, ano bakit anong
I'm feeling that with San Pedro.
Far away, I'm seeing home.
You're gonna open up the wine.
I pray
Kasi yun ang pinili ko ng chocolate.
they will surprise through the valley of grace.
Got it? Got it.
Like a bonita, and when the summer rain, there's someone sings to me.
Ikaw.
I hear Spanish all around.
Yeah, I know, but you were learning to bring it in.
Bakit tayo wala dalawa? Parang
I
binibigyan
was thinking you might go somewhere after because you get so late.
Ate Lani, kaya na wala bigayan ng cake picture. Remember I went to your house last Christmas? Alam mo kasi si Ate. Read na lang picture.
I'll just use, are you done?
Oh, you went to my house, yeah.
Yeah. There we have a party last time.
Hindi pa.
Remember?
We had a party.
Happy New Year!
I'm gonna do an invitation of Tony after Christmas Day.
Remember?
Last Christmas.
No!
Happy New Year!
How did you do that?
Where'd it go?
Over there.
Oh
my God.
Like you didn't break the computer.
No, it
Did it hit
went
the
to
computer?
no, it's
Bounced off the ceiling.
Yeah, at the back of the Christmas tree.